Well, you can turn your Google Slides document into a beautiful infographic in less than 2 minutes. So I have this document that looks like this, but I have converted that into this infographic using the Gemini Nano Banana Pro that is available directly in Google Slides. I also have another example, which is this document, and I have converted that into this infographic. Now, it looks kind of crowded, but it is actually very detailed. If you look closely, the text is nearly perfect. And also, if you look closely, there is this sort of illustration of a book, and it is actually very accurate because if you scroll down to this document, there is actually a visual representation of that book, and AI, which in this case Gemini Nano Banana Pro, is able to look into that and make a smaller version of that book at the bottom of this infographic. So this feature in Google Slides is not just reading the text or context information in a document. It is able to see the whole slide, and therefore it knows exactly what's going on your presentation. So let me show you how you can create a beautiful infographic using Google Slides. First, you can navigate to slides.google.com. And after that, you can open the document that you want to create the infographic version. So I have this document about saving strategies if you are living in New York. And to create the infographic, you can click this banana icon, generate an image basically, and after that navigate to infographic, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Now actually you can use the most basic prompt because when you are sending a message on this picture, AI will know that you want to create an infographic and it will adjust accordingly. But this is the extra instruction that I would like to use to make sure the infographic looks as good as possible. And by the way, this prompt can be found in the description down below. Just copy it and paste that right here. Now here you can specify if you want to get a vertical, square or landscape orientation. By default, it is usually going to create a landscape infographic, but you can specify the other orientation. So let me just remove the other two because I want to create a vertical orientation infographic. Now after that, you can send a message and just wait for about 1 or 2 minutes for the AI model, which is Gemini Nano Banana Pro, to turn your whole document into infographics. And I'll be back in a second. Alright, there you go. The infographic has been generated, and I can tell it is actually following the style or the overall tone of this document. It looks really good, by the way. So you can insert that into the slide, of course. You can also just right click on it. Sorry about that. You can right click on this and then click open image in the new tab, and then you can save the picture to your computer. I think it is using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, but it is not 2K resolution, so it's a bit lower, not quite as sharp, but still it is an amazing looking infographic. And again, you can verify the content. You can make sure that the text is accurate, the information is correct, and based on the document or presentation that you have on your Google Slides account. So yeah, that's basically how you can generate a great looking infographics based on your document in Google Slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.